In Ohio, the Ohio Construction Industry Licensing Board also mandates that anyone performing electrical work must be licensed as either an electrician or an electrical contractor. This encompasses electrical projects in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. There are specific instances where an individual is exempt from needing a license to perform electrical work. Firstly, an individual is not required to have a license if they are performing electrical work on their own property, with the condition that they do not hire outside help to complete the work. Secondly, an individual is exempt from electrical licensing requirements if they are working for a licensed electrical contractor as an employee, provided they are under the direct supervision of a licensed electrician. Thirdly, individuals are exempt from the licensing requirements if they are performing electrical work as a part of their job duties as a building maintenance employee for a public utility. The OSLB is the governing body that is responsible for enforcing the electrical licensing requirements in Ohio. They have the authority to issue fines to individuals who are caught performing electrical work without the required license. Furthermore, the OSLB also has the power to suspend or even revoke the licenses of electricians who have violated the established laws and regulations. Electrical inspectors play a crucial role in ensuring that all electrical work in Ohio adheres to the Ohio Electrical Code. These inspectors have the authority to inspect electrical systems at any point during the construction or renovation process. If the inspector finds that the electrical work does not comply with the code requirements, they can mandate that changes be made to bring the work up to standard. It's crucial to understand that electrical inspectors, while having the power to enforce code compliance, cannot waive the requirement for electrical contractors to possess a valid license. So, based on the regulations in place, it would be incorrect to assume that individuals in southern Ohio are exempt from needing an electrical license to perform electrical work in residential or commercial buildings. The exemptions to the licensing requirement are very narrowly defined. It is essential to understand that, in the vast majority of cases, any electrical work must be carried out by licensed electricians or electrical contractors. The electrical inspectors are tasked with upholding the licensing requirement, as well as ensuring that all electrical work is up to code. It is important to ensure any electrical contractor has the necessary license for the work that you have them do.